Good evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, back with all that is new in this emerging tech world. And once again, we wish Happy Janmashtami to all our viewers and readers. Sony's ILX LR1 mirrorless camera is a compact E-mount full-frame mirrorless camera. It weighs half a pound, making it suitable for drone applications and packs the 61 megapixel sensor from Sony's A7RV camera. It employs the latest Bion's XR processor and supports 4K video up to 60 frames per second, although it lacks an electronic viewfinder, screen, standard hand grip, and a battery. The camera is priced at $2,950, expected to launch in December for high-end drones and industrial use. Next up we have WhatsApp's advanced search filters have been introduced for improved channel browsing. Users can refine search based on country, popularity, and more. Filters are available for the latest versions on iOS and Android. It allows display of most active, popular, and newest channels. Channel feature to expand to more countries. The enhancements being made for an optimized user experience. Xiaomi's Redmi Smart Fire TV 4K 43-inch model launch announced for September 15th in India. It follows the release of the 32-inch HD model earlier and comes after global release of 43-inch, 50-inch and 55-inch 4K Fire TV models in F2 series. As the name suggests, it features the latest Fire TV software and Alexa voice-enabled remote. The TV is also expected to support audio enhancements such as Dolby Audio, DTS HD, and DTS Virtual X. The global model typically packs a MediaTek MT9020 processor, 2GB RAM, and 16GB storage. UrbanQuestSmartwatch launched in India priced at Rs 3,999. The watch features Bluetooth calling, a Super AMOLED display, and over 100 sports mode. It comes with heart rate monitor, dual SpO2 sensors and blood pressure monitoring, and boasts a 1.43-inch display and a round dial with a digital crown. The watch is compatible with voice assistant like Siri and Google Assistant. Meta's Quest Pro VR headsets were launched in 2022 with an advanced Snapdragon chip, touch controllers, and sensors. Partnering with LG Electronics to develop a mixed reality headset, Meta aims to rival Apple's upcoming Vision Pro AR headset. Launching in 2024, Meta plans to release a budget-friendly VR AR model under $200 in 2024. The premium LG collaboration model projected for a 2025 release. Potential name for the headset could be Meta Quest 4 Pro. Nokia G42 5G set to debut in India on 11 September. Already available in Europe and will be Nokia's second 5G phone in India. Amazon microsite is live and hints at features. The phone boasts a 6.56-inch water drop notch display, 90Hz refresh rate, and OZO Playback powered loudspeaker, 8 megapixel front camera, and a 50 megapixel primary rear camera. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 480 Plus with up to 11 GB of RAM. At last, boAtWave Elevate smartwatch launched as part of the Wave series and is priced below Rs 3,000. The watch resembles the high-end Apple Watch Ultra with its design and features a 1.96-inch HD display, 500 nits brightness, and the metallic build. It also includes a functional crown for navigation and customization. The watch offers Bluetooth calling with an integrated speaker and microphone. Users can store up to 20 phone numbers and utilize the dial pad. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
ये डब्बा हमको मिला है 60,000 रुपए का। इस डब्बे के बारे में आज सारी चीजें बताने वाला हूँ। वीडियो सेव करो, दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करना। अपने i3, i5, i7, i9 के बारे में सुनाऊंगा। ये है इंटेल का i9 13 जनरेशन, सबसे लेटेस्ट और सबसे खास बात है आपके लैपटॉप में नहीं आता है, ये कस्टम पीसीस के लिए बना है। चलिए इसको खोल के देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है, क्या हमारे 60,000 रुपए वर्थ इट है। इस तरीके की इसमें पैकेजिंग आती है। चिप तो मैं आपको पार्ट 2 में दिखाऊंगा। तो हमने प्रोसेसर मंगाया, इसके अंदर 24 कोर है, 8 परफॉर्मेंस कोर है, 16 एफिशिएंट कोर है एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ थ्रेड्स 32 मिलते हैं। इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग के लिए पार्ट 2 के लिए कमेंट करना, और इसमें आपका सिस्टम तो हैंग नहीं होगा, बट जो सिस्टम को फॉलो करता है तो आईटी शॉर्ट्स को भी कर लेना ऐसी अमेजिंग टेक शॉर्ट्स के लिए। टिल देन कमेंट सिस्टम डाउन। मिलते हैं कल।